Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making sugar-coated candied peanuts. These are crunchy, sweet, yet savory, but so delicious and they only need 2 ingredients. So, let's start. Grab a pan and add in all the ingredients. The peanuts, sugar and the water. The most important part of this whole recipe is to keep stirring. Do not stop stirring. Why? Because otherwise the sugar crystallizes into a big lump and the peanuts won't be coated equally. You'll notice the water evaporates and the mixture becomes thicker and thicker. When all of the water has evaporated, everything will dry up and crystallizes. No, you are not doing it wrong. Just keep stirring and the sugar turns into a caramel. When all the peanuts have a nice brown color, remove them from the heat and let them cool on some parchment paper. And that's it. Enjoy! And that's it already. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.